Life can be stressful sometimes, but that doesn't mean your skin has to show it. Dark under eyes are a common problem for most women, but with a few simple ingredients, you can look fresh-faced in no time. Potatoes are a great source of vitamin C and calcium and can reduce the appearance of dark circles while giving you healthier and younger looking skin. Just grate one small potato and place it into a muslin cloth. Squeeze the juice from the potato and use a cotton pad to apply it to the affected area. Wash off with cold water after about 15 minutes. Mix 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 2 vitamin E capsules, and some aloe vera gel to create your own under eye gel. Rich in vitamins, almond oil brightens under eyes and reduces puffiness, while vitamin E reduces signs of aging, and aloe vera soothes and hydrates your skin. Massage the gel into your skin every night before bed to wake up fresh-faced. The caffeine in coffee can not only make you feel awake, but also awaken your skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of coffee and a tablespoon of potato juice with some honey to make a paste. Full of antioxidants, coffee can reduce dark circles and puffiness by improving blood circulation, and potato juice can reduce pigmentation, while the honey will moisturize the skin from within. Another way to effectively reduce dark circles using coffee is to mix 4 tablespoons of yogurt with 2 tablespoons of coffee. Yogurt reduces puffiness and swelling around the eyes and brightens the skin, while coffee has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which slow down aging and give you that natural glow. Did you know that vitamin C, chlorophyll, and vitamin K in parsley can get rid of your dark circles? Pluck a few sprigs of parsley and crush them before adding a dash of hot water. Soak a cotton pad in this mixture and apply it to your eyes for noticeably brighter skin. When looking for an eye cream, choose one which has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid retains water to keep your skin tissues hydrated. This means it hydrates tired skin and reduces fine lines and dark circles. The antioxidant properties in hyaluronic acid also fights free radicals and protects the skin from damage. We know that you've heard it hundreds of times, but enough sleep can get rid of your dark circles. Staring at a screen before bed can strain the eyes and result in the skin around your eyes to darken. A digital detox for about an hour before you go to bed will also help you sleep better through the night. With these simple tips and easy remedies, you will look like you didn't miss a minute of your beauty sleep. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.